Hello there. In this video I will show you the Smanos w120i Wi-Fi alarm system with included the P70 HD Wi-Fi camera. It works on the 868 MHz frequency, especially made for security, and is compatible with all Smanos accessories. The w120i can be extended with up to 30 additional accessories, including features such as account management and easy sharing, notifications by both app push message and email, managing multiple systems and cameras from one account, power outage notifications and interference detection. The w120i kit contains the w120 hub, 2 door window sensors with double-sided tape, 1 remote control, 1 camera, 2 adapters, a screw set, warning decals and its documentation. To install the system, start by installing the w120 app on your smartphone. Sign up for a new account and sign in when your account is created. Now tap the plus button and choose to install a w120 alarm. You will see a step-by-step instructions on your screen. Plug in the adapter into the w120 hub and press the button on the back of the panel for 3 seconds until it beeps. The LED on the panel should start blinking in red and blue light. Now connect your smartphone to the w120 network, which appears in your Wi-Fi settings. Go back to the app and choose your home Wi-Fi network from the list shown on your display. Fill in your home network password to finish the pairing. This system supports the 2.4 GHz routers only. If you have a dual band router and the same Wi-Fi network name is used for both, please go into your router settings to separate these two bands into different names. Make sure to connect with the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi instead of the 5 GHz. Adding accessories is easy. Just go into the accessory setting menu, the w120 app, tap the plus sign on the right top corner and trigger the sensor you want to add. It will immediately show up in the list where you can adjust its name and zone settings. Sharing the alarm is super easy and can be set according to your wishes. The only thing needed from the person you want to share to is an installed w120i app and account. Press the 3 lines at the left top in the app. Press the My Shares button and press the plus button to add a new share. Now you can type the email address of the account you want to share to, the name of the person and the products you want to share. There are 2 types of sharing with some key differences. The administrator share has full access to the device with just a few exceptions. The user share is only able to edit the name of the device and receive alerts. Choose a date or time in which the user has permission to operate the system. Pressing Done will directly let the w120i smart home system pop up in the shared account overview. The app also gives you the possibility to automate the arm and disarm of the system according to your daily schedule or set the delay time for entry and exit. Go to Other Settings for the option to put the system in testing mode and test if the accessories are correctly connected. In the same menu you can change the Wi-Fi network configuration and update the firmware of the system. In short, the Smanos w120 is a security system full of functionality, neatly fitted in a user-friendly app interface. Thank you for watching and see you next time.